Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Switch Sports. First, ensure your Joy-Con controllers are securely attached to the wrist straps to prevent accidental drops during gameplay. Next, navigate to the main menu and select one of the 6 exciting sports available, such as tennis or bowling. Finally, choose your preferred control method, whether you want to use intuitive motion controls or more traditional button inputs for a precise experience. To truly immerse yourself in Switch Sports, mastering motion controls is key. Hold your Joy-Con controller firmly and replicate the natural movements of the sport you're playing. For example, in tennis, swing your arm as if hitting a real ball. Watch for the on-screen cues that guide your timing and power, helping you achieve perfect shots. Experiment with varying swing speeds and angles to discover what works best for each game. Switch Sports offers several engaging game modes to keep the fun going. You can enjoy local multiplayer with up to 4 friends, sharing a single console for competitive or cooperative play. If you're looking for a global challenge, jump into online matchmaking to compete against players from around the world. Additionally, complete various in-game challenges to earn valuable points, which you can then use to unlock a wide array of cool cosmetic items for your avatar. To elevate your Switch Sports game, consider these helpful tips. Pay close attention to your opponent's strategies and movements. Anticipating their next move can give you a significant advantage. Don't hesitate to revisit the tutorial sections for each sport. They offer valuable insights into fundamental techniques and advanced maneuvers. Finally, try playing with different in-game characters, as each might offer a slightly unique feel or advantage that suits your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.